your girl Shelly May, and welcome back to my channel for all of my returning subscribers, and welcome to anyone that is new here. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you know every time that I do post. But as you read today, this is a gym unboxing. Okay, so this is a gym supplement unboxing. I'm trying to get back onto my supplement game. I've been on it a little bit with my pre-workout, which it is a supplement, but it doesn't really help with growth. It just helps with my energy during the workouts. And then I've been adding creatine into my pre-workout, and then I'll do glutamine in my protein shake or protein clear whey juice after my leg days. And I need to re-up on some things and get a couple new things. Or not new, but just something I haven't done in a while. So let's open up this big box. So the brand that I purchased from this time around is EHP Labs. Oh. Struggling. I've literally been getting stuff from them for a couple years now. But yeah, I really like this brand. I always see good results when I use it. I'm not like too sensitive to any of the products. They don't like hurt my stomach or anything. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. On my way. So first thing out the box is going to be my creatine. See, this is gonna focus or like not be super glary. Hopefully not, but this is my Creatine. I'm actually all out. So my creatine, I needed this back. So here's my creatine. Where can we put this? And then I'm almost out of this one. This is my glutamine I spoke about earlier. Why are you seeing me get a great pump and great results and like me really being able to sustain these results? Creatine, glutamine, along with protein. But I've been doing clear whey from the company My Protein because I just don't like those heavy, milky protein shakes. Just not my steez. So that's when we do that. And then my favorite greens ever, OxyGreens, and this is literally the only flavor that I like. This is the pineapple flavor. I'm trying to make sure there's not too much glare on this. Sorry, guys. But, yeah, this keeps me regular. Honestly, keeps me, de-bloated, so I'm not getting, like, real big puffy stomach. And it is your daily recommended amount of greens, like fruits, not fruits, but vegetables. Because honestly, I'm just not that big into vegetables like that. Like there are ones that I eat. Like I've been eating a lot of bell peppers lately, like in every like dish pretty much. My food this week, both I'm just doing like chicken. One of them is chicken, broccoli, and then the sauteed peppers and onions. And then the other one is gonna be like jerk chicken and jerk veggies, which I should have gotten some cabbage. I need to go get cabbage. Anyways, I don't eat a lot of vegetables, so this is definitely going to help and going to help keep me lean. I'm really super excited to add this back into my regimen. And then the last thing that I got, oh, they got this thing wrapped up with some protection, because definitely needs the protection. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Buying these makes shipping so expensive. But I got there's really a sticker on here, OxyShred energy drinks. The glare today is going crazy. I got the Guava Paradise. Love these. I honestly haven't had these in like maybe a year. Oh my god, it's been forever. But yeah, I haven't had these in such a long time, and I really love how they're grab and go. These are great for energy throughout the day, and as a pre-workout, it's literally their pre-workout in a can with some fizzy bubbly. Okay? Little fizzy bubbly pop. Delicious. They have several other flavors that I do like. I pretty much liked all of the flavors except for the cotton candy. Gross. And I won't do like their tropical one, the one that has like coconut on it, like pina colada flavor. Don't like coconut at all, any way, shape, or form. I actually tried like a real coconut, just a sip of my friend's, because she also doesn't like coconut, but she'll drink like a real coconut, like coconut, blah, 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 English. She will drink coconut water out of a coconut. I tried it. It wasn't as bad as like coconut milk and the coconut waters that you get at the grocery store. Still disgusting, but the taste did not linger on my mouth, so I was very excited about that. And then the other thing that you just saw me throw, it was a free gift, these EHP Lab socks. Super cute, just some like mid-rise crew socks. Yes, this was my latest EHP Labs haul. Just gonna... So yeah, this is what we got. I'm very, very excited about this. Very excited to get this stuff back into my rotation. I'm actually gonna just hold this one up and get a little thumbnail, okay? If you aren't new here, you know how this goes. So yeah, anyways, that is all that I got this time around. Next time that I re-up on their products, I will definitely let y'all know and show y'all, of course. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you know every time that I do post. Until next time, y'all, it's your girl, Shiny May.